Hi, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Welcome to the vegan cuisine episode. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my peanut butter sea moss shake. This shake is packed with a lot of vitamins and nutrients and some extra protein from that peanut butter. Now before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more vegan cuisine videos. In this cup, I have my plant-based milk. Today I'm going to be using my almond milk, and I'm going to add in my peanut butter to my almond milk. I'm also going to go in and add my coconut palm sugar. I'm going to go in and add my sea moss. This is ready-made sea moss gel. I know that I did ask you guys if you'd like to see me do a video on how I make my sea moss gel to leave a comment, and someone did leave a comment, so I will be posting a video on how I make my sea moss gel pretty soon, so look out for that in the upcoming videos. This shake is pretty simple. It doesn't have any protein powder in it, but if you would like to add protein powder, feel free to do so. Now I am adding in some cinnamon as well as some nutmeg to the mixture, so a dash of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. I really love using these two spices in my protein shakes. It is completely optional, but if you would like to try it, if you don't want to, then that's fine. So this is kind of how I do some prepping for pre or post workouts. If I'd like to have a shake before workout or after workout, this is a way I go on and I prep for that. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.